Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna make vichyssoise soup. Let me tell you what I have. Let me show you real quick. I have some celery. I do have some white onions, some potatoes, and we got a couple of leeks. Oh, they are so beautiful. And we have some chives. Okay. I'm gonna start again just to show you exactly. I have some chives, some leeks, some potatoes, white onions, okay, some celery. I got like 4 stick celeries, and I have some salt and pepper, okay, and I have some oil, some chicken stock, and I do have some heavy cream and sour cream. So we're gonna start it. What is vichyssoise? Vichyssoise is just a thick soup made with boiled leeks and potatoes and some cream. It's origin France. It's a French cuisine. Are you excited? I love vichyssoise soup, and you can have it cold or hot. It's up to you. You can have your vichyssoise soup cold, or you can have your vichyssoise soup hot. But me personally, I hate cold soup. I like vichyssoise hot. I'm sorry. So I am doing some prepping. So I am cutting some celery right now, and after that we're gonna cut some green onions. Make sure you rinse your vegetables before you cut them. But especially for the leeks, they're usually dirty inside, even though you wash it before you cut it. So before you use it again, make sure you give it a quick rinse because sometimes they carry a lot of dirt. All right, and then be excited and be patient for your vichyssoise soup. It's a very, very, very good soup. It's really good. So this is my white onions. Okay, make sure you have some potatoes, some leeks. It's like a puree. All right, it's the same method when you're making broccoli soup. The same method like the puree method. So it's up to you. You can sweat your celery and your leeks, sweat them before they just so tender before you add the chicken stock, or you can just boil everything and add the chicken stock with it. It's up to you. So me personally, I'm gonna just um put some chicken stock with my potatoes and onions and celery and the leeks, let it boil until they really cook. But traditionally, okay, you're supposed to have a nice pot and put your leeks, add some salt and pepper, and keep stirring it from time to time until like it has like a nice color until it's very tender. And after that, you add your potatoes and you add the celery and you add the chicken stock and you cover it to steam until it cook well too. And after that, you let it cool, and you can use like a food processor, or you can use a machine blender, or you can use a normal blender like a regular blender. So in my case, I don't have a food processor, so I'm gonna just use my blender. It's okay, just make your puree just with your blender. It's all right. All right, and now once you make the puree, you're gonna just pour it back on the pot, and you're gonna add the cream, like the heavy cream, the sour cream, okay, and you're just gonna stir in it and taste it to see if you need some more salt and pepper, okay, and after that, you're gonna plate up your soup. Remember, you can serve it cold or you can serve it hot, but either or, you still need to make some garnish. You can make some garnish with some chives and sour cream. Okay, like I told you, I just give you another rinse. Look how beautiful they are. Okay, it's nothing, no complicated. It's just, leeks and potatoes, so I don't trust it. I'm gonna give it another rinse again. I'm very picky with the leeks because they carry a lot of dirt. Okay, all right, so beautiful, so beautiful. All right, easy money. All right, that's it. We are ready. We are super excited for this soup. You can have the only soup that I like cold is gazpacho soup. So now I'm adding my chicken stock. So remember guys to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please do that before you go. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stephanie Menazi Kitchen, or you can follow me on Facebook. The same thing you see on your screen, Stephanie Menadi Kitchen. So make sure you use a vegetable. You can use a vegetable stock or chicken stock, but it looks like I didn't have enough, so I added a little veal stock, so just a little bit because I didn't want to add any water. So I put some salt and pepper. So after like like 30 minutes, this is what I got. This Bye. See you next time.